Alright, what's up guys? Today we're diving into how to buy BLX the right way. Whether you're new to crypto or just want a quick walkthrough, I've got you covered. Let's get into it. You'll need a crypto wallet. Any wallet works. MetaMask, Trust Wallet, SafePal. Just make sure you're connected to the BNB Smart Chain. That's important. Next, head over to blenexchain.io/presale. This is where all the action happens. Now comes the fun part. You're on the website and you'll see options to buy BLX. You'll be buying BLX through USDT. So enter the amount of USDT and it'll instantly show the equivalent BLX you'll receive.
Before you go ahead, make sure to read the BLX terms and conditions. And once you're good with everything, click accept to the terms and conditions.
Quick tip, if you have a referral code, definitely enter it here. You'll get bonus gems when your referral makes a purchase. Free perks, why not? If you've got a referral link like this one, just copy the last part after ref equals and paste it in the referral box. Once you're good with the amount, click Connect Wallet to proceed. Your wallet will prompt you to authorize the transaction. Just hit authorize. After that, just click buy to get your BLX. Your wallet will ask for your password and prompt you to authorize the transaction. You've successfully purchased BLX, and just like that, you're officially part of the family.